Welcome to episode 227 of Hike with Mangyan. Today, we're hitting the Black Locust Trail at Gambrill State Park, where the wind bites, the rocks hide under snow, and the ridge tries to turn you into a popsicle. Let's get moving before my GoPro freezes on my hand. The Civilian Conservation Corps shaped much of the park in the 1930s, often while freezing in the Catoctin mountain. If you've ever hiked Black Locust in February, you probably recreated their "why did I choose this job" face. The Black Locust wood was frontier gold. Early settlers loved it because it refused to rot. If only my toes were that resilient when the trail turns into a snow slush smoothie. The mountain ridge is older than the Appalachian Trail itself. The Catoctin Mountain has survived multiple ice ages. So, if I slip on a patch of frost, I know the mountain has seen far worse and will be quietly judging me. Winter winds here have a personal vendetta. The ridge funnels cold air with laser precision. One gust and suddenly I'm questioning my life choices, my jacket, and my will to continue. The trail is named after the black locust tree, not the bug, but in the winter, the frozen seed pods rattle like a percussion section of locusts auditioning for a metal band. Snow reveals the truth about hikers. Fresh snow on black locust is basically a lie detector. Every footprint says confidence tried, while every skid mark says I definitely meant to do that. Before weather apps, locals used the overlooks as storm spotting towers. If clouds rolled in, they knew snow was coming. Today, I hike up there, mostly to take dramatic I conquered winter photos. The deer on this trail act like park rangers, especially in the winter, when they stare at me like, "Bold of you to hike in this weather. Proceed if you dare." Winter Ice on Black Locust has two moods, mildly inconvenient and full cartoon banana peel. There is no middle setting. Microspikes are recommended. Dignity is optional. The black locust thorns were once used as sewing needles. Imagine stitching clothes during a snowstorm with a thorn. Suddenly, my frosty hike will feel like a luxury experience. The quartzite rocks fracture into perfect ankle twisters. These ancient stones hide under snow like tiny winter ninjas. They don't want to hurt me, they just want to keep me humble. The trail has its own microclimate. If it's snowing anywhere in Frederick County, black locust gets it first. If it's icy anywhere, black locust gets it twice, and adds a bonus breeze for flair. And that's the Black Locust Trail. Icy, windy, and just smug enough to watch me slip. If you like the views or my ongoing feud with winter, hit like and subscribe. Stay warm, stay upright, and I'll see you on the next trail. Bye!